This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Killer Instinct. To begin, familiarize yourself with the 3 primary attack strengths: light, medium, and heavy. These are crucial for all your offensive maneuvers. Practice blocking by holding back on your controller to defend against incoming attacks. Also, start learning your character's special moves, which combine directional inputs with an attack button. Mastering these fundamentals is your first step to becoming a formidable fighter. Once you grasp the basics, focus on building combos. Every combo begins with an opener, which is a special move that puts your opponent into a combo state. After an opener, you can perform auto doubles by repeatedly pressing attack buttons. These automatically link together. Conclude your combo with an ender move. This delivers significant damage and often provides a beneficial effect, like gaining meter or knocking down your opponent. Practice these sequences to chain attacks effectively. Defense is just as vital as offense in Killer Instinct. When caught in an opponent's combo, you can attempt a combo breaker. To do this, press 2 attack buttons of the same strength simultaneously, matching the strength of their current attack. A successful break will stop their assault and create an opening for you. Be careful, though, if your opponent anticipates your break, they can perform a counter breaker, leaving you vulnerable. Timing and prediction are key here. For advanced play, utilize Instinct Mode and Ultra combos. When your Instinct meter is full, activate it to gain temporary, powerful enhancements unique to your character, such as increased damage or unique move properties. This can turn the tide of a match. Finally, when your opponent's health is low and they are dizzy, you can perform an Ultra combo. This spectacular finishing move delivers a flurry of hits, providing a satisfying conclusion to your victory. Master these for ultimate dominance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.